Ghost from the Past, the second haunting. Let's check and see if I get lucky in this one. Okay, Plunder Patrolman Mordek, Reptilian Spawn. Then we have Time Thief Temporary Overall. Then we have the Flute of Summoning Karibo. And Gordier, the newest Plunder Patrol. Great Mammoth of Golfine, Alien Mardite, Albur, the Jester of Despia. So we have Doom King, Balderok, and we have the Ghost Trick, Yashin. Executor Gigamantis, Infinity Pawn, Sky Cavalry Centuria. Then we have the Mystical Shine Ball and Infernita Sage. So we have Samsara Dragon, DD Swirl Slime, Elemental Hero Neos Conjurer. And then we have Red Eye Zombie Necrom Dragon and Plunder Patrol's Shipyard. Oh, no luck there, but hey, check this out.